and I will provide evidence. When we speak about the office of the president, it is made up of 6 units. It is made up of the general administration, the office of the chief of staff, the vice president secretariat, cabinet secretariat, press secretariat, policy coordination and delivery units. In addition to this, Mr. Speaker, there are 24 different agencies that add up to these 6 to make up 30 different agencies, which constitute what we call the Office of Government Machinery. They have claimed that under them there were only 8 agencies. Mr. Speaker, that is not true. There were 23. Mr. Speaker, if you look at the budget on page 151, an amount of 2.711 billion Ghana cedis has been allocated for compensation. Mr. Speaker, compensation simply means wages and salaries paid to government workers. Mr. Speaker, when they were in power, the 23 agencies under the Office of Government Machinery had a total of 1,200 workers. 336 of these were political appointees. Mr. Speaker, since January 2025, President Mahama, through an executive instrument, has collapsed 7 ministries. 2 of these collapsed ministries have had a total of 7 agencies moved to the Office of Government Machinery. Mr. Speaker, these agencies alone have contributed 11,657 civil servants who are going to be paid through the Controller and Accountant General. So it is not true that President Mahama has been given 2.7 billion Ghana cedis to squander. Mr. Speaker, on the contrary, the budget of the Office of the President or Office of Government Machinery, when you look at goods and services and capital expenditure, has been cut by 419 million Ghana cedis. Mr. Speaker, in 2024, the Office of Government Machinery, which had 1,200 employees, was allocated 1.536 billion Ghana cedis for goods and services and capital expenditure. Now, the same entity has 11,657 civil servants and has been allocated only 1.17 billion Ghana cedis for goods and services and capital expenditure, which is a cut of 419 million Ghana cedis. So it is not true that more has been given to the Office of the President. Mr. Speaker, it is also false for anybody to say, and this is a house of record, so I wish to place it on record, that my office has not been given 78 million Ghana cedis. There are 3 agencies that I superintend, namely the Ghana Broadcasting Corporation, the Information Service Department, and the Ghana News Agency. These 3 agencies alone have 2,537 civil servants. And it is these civil servants who have been allocated 78 million Ghana cedis in both goods and services. Mr. Speaker, it is woefully inadequate for them because the Ghana Broadcasting Corporation alone needs 36 million Ghana cedis to establish a presence in the 6 regions that they created. Mr. Speaker, the Ghana Broadcasting Corporation alone needs 37 million Ghana cedis to establish a presence in the 6 regions that they created. And yet, all 3 agencies are sharing 78 million Ghana cedis. So it is a complete untruth for anybody to say that I have been allocated 78 million Ghana cedis.